Stop right now if you want to get free gems in Baseball 9. So guys, today I'll be showing you step by step how to get as much gems as you want. So guys, you'll finally be able to buy any upgrade in the Baseball 9 or anything you want to get for absolutely $0. So guys, I tried a lot of methods to get this. None of them work for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah guys, this one, I tested it and it worked. So that's why I simply wanted to share with you. So guys, you can troll your friends with this, you can have fun with this. And yeah, it works for both iOS and Android. I want to mention that. So let's go ahead guys and start this video tutorial. So guys, to get free unlimited gems in Baseball 9, we'll use this Baseball 9 Plus Plus. So guys, Baseball 9 Plus Plus is totally the same app as the Baseball 9. The only difference is that you will have free unlimited gems inside the app. So guys, let's open this up and get ready for this. So guys, as you can see, this is how much I have at the moment. So that will change very soon. So just look at this. So let's just wait for it. And boom, as you can see guys, free unlimited gems is loading right into my Baseball 9 account. So guys, now I can finally go ahead and buy any upgrade in the Baseball 9 or anything I want to get for absolutely $0, which is insane. So guys, now you will basically become unstoppable. You can troll your friends, you can do whatever you want to do, any upgrade you want to buy, accessory, gear, does not matter, now you can do and buy. So guys, let's now start the video how you can get this Baseball 9 Plus Plus. So the first thing guys we need to do is to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the Baseball 9. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to the settings. If you're Android guys, you don't need to prepare a mobile device at all. You can skip to the part where I tell you where to get Baseball 9 Plus Plus from and how to download it. So guys, if you're iOS, follow me, head over guys, so head over guys to the general. Then go to the background app refresh, and here guys make sure that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now we need to do a couple more things, so just follow me. So I'm gonna exit this real quick. So guys, after that you need to head over to the battery settings. Here it is, and you need to make sure guys that the low power mode is turned off. So guys, you'll know when it's on because the battery color will be yellow, so just make sure it is off. So guys, now after that we have to do one more thing, last one. So guys, simply head over to the general again, then go to the about, and here guys make sure that your software version or the iOS version is iOS 13 or above. So as you can see guys, right now I'm on the iOS 15.7.5. so guys, if you're below iOS 13, make sure you go ahead and update it before proceeding with the method. So guys, now we successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation of the Baseball 9 Plus Plus. All you got to do now guys is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There will be a full video where I show you how you can get Baseball 9 Plus Plus. I guess unfortunately cannot show you that in this video because the developers of the game will ban this video. So yeah, just head over to the pinned comments, and that's it. See you in the next video.